Today, I am going to show you guys how to download and install multiple programs at the same time on your Windows computer. Open your web browser, search for ninite.com. Select all the programs do you want to download. Let's us select Chrome and VLC and WinRAR. Once you select all the programs you need, select Get Your Ninite. Here, you will see all the programs you want to install. We can see what it is downloading at the moment. When the download is finished, the installation process started automatically. Once it is done installing, it will give you the application and the status if it is okay. Done, now you are ready to go. Please don't forget to subscribe.